Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve the cube root of unity, that is cube root of 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm going to assume let x is equals to cube root of 1. Now we have to find this x. So x is equals to, I can write it as 1 power 1 by 3. Now x cube is equals to 1 power 1 by 3 times 3. So x cube is equals to 1. So x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. So x cube minus 1, we can write it as 1 cube is equals to 0. Now the famous identity a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1. Now these both are equals to 0. So first x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is 1 and x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So we are going to use quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 times 2 times 1. So minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root 3 times under root minus 1 by 2. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 3, and this under root minus 1 is iota by 2. So x2 is, this is x1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2, and x3 is minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.